In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a responsive video on your website. If you want your video player to look good on mobile, tablet, and desktop without having to manually resize anything, this is a simple and effective way to do it. A responsive embed automatically adjusts to the screen size, which helps your page look cleaner and gives visitors a better viewing experience no matter what device they're using. To get started, open your video settings or the share options for the video you want to place on your website. Look for the embed option. This is the section that provides the HTML code used to display the video player on another page. Once you're in the embed area, make sure the responsive option is selected if that setting is available. This tells the player to scale automatically instead of staying locked to a fixed width and height. After that, copy the embed code. This code is what you'll paste into your website so the video appears in the exact place you want it. Be sure to copy the full code exactly as provided. If part of it is missing, the player may not display correctly or may lose some of its responsive behavior. Next, go to your website editor. Open the page, post, or section where you want the video to appear and paste the embed code into the appropriate HTML, code, or embed block. The exact location will depend on the platform you're using, but the idea is the same. Place the code where the video should show up on the page. If your editor has both visual and code modes, make sure you're pasting into the correct one so the code is interpreted properly. Once the code is pasted in, save or update the page and preview it. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the video is displaying correctly. You should see that the player automatically adjusts to different screen sizes. On a phone, it should fit the narrower display. On a tablet, it should scale appropriately, and on desktop, it should expand to suit the available layout while still maintaining a clean appearance. If the video doesn't appear as expected, double check that you copied the complete embed code and pasted it into a supported code area on your site. In most cases, that's all it takes. That's it. You've embedded a responsive video that automatically fits mobile, tablet, and desktop screens, helping your website look more polished and user-friendly.